Experienced that sinking feeling, asking yourself, what's the point? That's where I find myself with my videos. At times I hear a voice in my head telling me to stop doing this, as it might not lead anywhere. We're bombarded with messages about chasing dreams, finding our passion, and having a clear purpose. But what if, just for a moment, we give ourselves a break? What if we accept that not every step needs to be part of some grand plan? What if the point is that there isn't always a point? We usually only capture photos and videos during significant life events. However, that's changed for me the past few years. As I've embraced the practice of documenting these ordinary moments, I've come to realize the hidden beauty in the simplicity of everyday life. This shift allows me to find joy in routine, appreciate the subtleties of each day, and reflect on the growth and changes that occur in quieter moments. Making these videos is supposed to feel like creating pages in a scrapbook, where each frame captures the unique and cherished elements in a visual narrative. I'm not sure where this journey leads. As I navigate this desolation, I'm realizing that maybe, just maybe, there's beauty in accepting the bittersweet ache of a purposeless existence and finding a melancholic comfort in it all.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh.
I am a sick man. I am a spiteful man. I am an unattractive man. I believe my liver is diseased. However, I know nothing at all about my disease, do not know for certain what ails me. I don't consult a doctor for it, and never have, though I have a respect for medicine and doctors. Besides, I am extremely superstitious, sufficiently so to respect medicine anyway.